Otro que ufama la plata que está igual. Trabajo por el familia. Tampoco. Y a big girl now. January 21st, 21, a big girl. But to me, it's still my little girl. It's just like yesterday in my memories that he was still a baby. It doesn't matter how far you go, how old you are, you're still my baby. I'd like to say sorry. To you. Hey, whatever. Upset me. Or make you sad. But you know, my love for you is still the same from the day you were born till this day. You still my little baby. Tapi mungkin satu kali kemarin itu, kita boleh tahu how dia yang tahu cara dia apa. We still thank God that He's the only one.
Final step.
Now I'm going to give you
one final dance.
The 25th.
I'd play a song that would never end. 'Cause I'd love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him.
I'm going to give you that future. You make that choice. You're old enough to make that choice. And you can make that. You've been a good girl. You've been lovely. You've been good to dad. You'll be good to mom and your brothers and your younger sister. And I do love you for that. I know you love your auntie, your uncle, and your friends. I do love you. So now I'm going to give you a teacher. And then you will decide what you're going to do with it.
But dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again.
Happy birthday, my little girl. Now I'm going to talk to my big girl. You might be look so big, but to me, you're my younger baby. I love you, Lina. I know you're only 18. And you're not old enough to go out. You're still too young. Happy birthday, Lina. I just don't want your big sister to be alone in front here. So I invite you to join her on her special day today. And happy birthday to you, Lina. So, girls, in Tongan way, we stay at home until we get married. and then we move out. In Samoan way, they move out before they get married. So it's your choice now, whether you're going to take the Samoan way or the Tongan way. But it doesn't matter. But it doesn't matter, I still love you both. My love for you is still the same, and it's equal. I don't love her more than you. I love you both the same. So today, when I saw my eldest girl, after she dressed up, she was so pretty, very pretty. And then I walked past the young one. When I saw her, she was prettier. I owe her one, that's why I say that. So guys, enjoy your day. It's beautiful, you're both beautiful. And I love you both. The same as your mom and your family. They love you. And the Bible is coming. Don't worry. The key is for you to decide. But to me, the key is to remember the 21 years in your journey. Now I'm going to give you another key. So you remember that the Lord gave you your 21st year that you have today. For you, Lena, you still got another 3 years to go. So this Bible is for you to read for the next 3 years until your 21st. I love you. Happy birthday.
While I was standing here, my mom was like saying to me, "Give the key back, give the key back, wait, give the key back." And I was like, wait, I haven't said anything yet, I want to say something. But Dad, you know, I was going to run away with the key back. I'm going to give you the key back because I'm going to remain as your little girl. And always will be staying at home as always. You're stuck for me forever. As for this key, I will, remain using this for the rest of my life, and try to doing what God wishes are, what your wishes are, and what God has planned for us, for the future. Me and my sister prepared a speech. Roll it out, sorry. First of all, we'd like to say thank you to our Heavenly Father for blessing my sister and I for the years He has given us. We'd like to thank Reverend Sione Allah for coming today to do the blessing for Lena and I. We'd also like to thank our family and friends who have helped cook and prepare for this special occasion. If it wasn't for you guys, today wouldn't be possible.
We would like to thank my auntie Lata and her husband Puna for flying all the way out from Hawaii to help us celebrate this special day. And we would also like to thank our cousins Lesa, Siofi, Ofisi, and also Tikava Kimoto for flying all the way from the island of Tona. We'd also like to thank everyone for coming today to help us celebrate the 21 years of my sister and the 18 years of mine. Mama Ulu, Grandma Lenny, Grandma Kavita, Uncle Phil, busy today. I know you guys are watching over us on our special day. You all may not be here in flesh, but you're definitely here in spirit. May you all rest in peace and in love. May you always stay in our forever. We love you always and forever. Last but not least, we'd like to give a special thanks to our loving parents who worked so hard to try and make this event possible. I know we aren't the most behaved, nor perfect girls, but we do try.
We would like to thank you both for your undying love and support. We definitely wouldn't have made it this far without you guys. You have been there through our sickness, our pain, and most probably our worst. Thank you both for being there, and one day we will return the favour. I'd like to thank you for simply making us the young women we are today. Thanks for showing us the wrongs and rights. I know we don't show it at times, but we are truly grateful for your love and support. And especially your food, Mum. I love your food. Mum and Dad, we will always be your little girls. We'll never leave you. Ever, ever, never, ever, forever. And also we would like to thank our brothers, our partners in crime, Charlie, Jay and Thomas. We love you always and forever. Thank you guys for coming out today. Be safe. We love you all. Alofa Teliatu. Ofa Lahiatu. Much love to you all. Drink up and have fun. Enjoy your night, please.